You are exhausted, not just tired. I don't even care type of exhaustion. Everything feels heavy. You're running on fumes. That is burnout. And rest alone won't fix it. Welcome to your 5-minute reset. Today we're talking about burnout, the kind where you feel emotionally drained, detached, and ineffective, even with things you once cared deeply about. Burnout isn't just tiredness. It's emotional exhaustion, cynicism, and feeling like nothing you do makes a difference. You used to care, but now you're just going through the motions. So what causes burnout? Burnout comes from chronic stress without recovery. It's when you're always giving more than you have, when you keep saying yes, even when your body and mind are screaming no. Being in draining environments, always plugged in, never truly resting. And here's the trap. When you're burnt out, rest doesn't even feel restful. You're too tired to relax. Your mind won't switch off. A weekend away doesn't fix it. Because burnout is not an energy problem. It's a boundaries problem, a values problem, and a sustainability problem. So, how do you recover? Here are 3 steps that you can follow. Number 1, identify what is draining you. Burnout always has roots. Are you constantly helping others while neglecting yourself? Is it your workload, pressure, or a toxic environment? Is it saying yes because you're afraid to disappoint? Write down everything that drains you. Then think, what can I eliminate, delegate, or do differently? You cannot heal if you keep repeating what burned you out. Number 2, rebuild your energy systematically. You don't need a full life makeover. You need small recoveries woven into your day. Try this. Take an actual lunch break away from your desk. Step outside for fresh air. Turn your phone off during rest times. Say no to just one non-essential thing this week. These are not luxuries. They are survival habits. Recovery happens in the small spaces you intentionally create for yourself, not in some future holiday. Number 3, reconnect with what actually matters. Burnout is the disconnect between what you do and what you value. Ask yourself, what actually matters to me? What gives me life instead of draining it? Then protect those things like your life depends on it. Because it does. Years ago, I was stuck in a soul-draining job. I worked through weekends, lunch breaks, and even when I was sick. I'm ashamed to say that I had no boundaries. I was in constant crisis management mode. One day, my body shut down. I couldn't move my hands or feet. I literally shuffled my feet to get to the doctor's office. The doctor found nothing physically wrong, but warned, if you don't stop what you're doing regarding your work, it will get worse. I was booked off work for a month. Couldn't even open my laptop. That forced stillness made me reflect deeply. When I returned to work, I resigned with no plan, no backup job. It took me nearly a year to fully recover. Burnout is not just exhaustion. It's your body's emergency alarm, and it will get louder until you listen. Recovery is possible, but it requires change, not just a break. Like this video if you've been there. Comment below, what is one thing you will say no to this week? Subscribe for more 5-minute resets. You deserve to feel alive again. Till next time, bye.